Most people think rewarded play is broken when their points don't show up. But here's the truth no one tells you. In most cases, the app is not failing. The issue is almost always tracking, timing, or missing gameplay requirements. Quick promise. In this video, you will learn exactly why rewarded play is not crediting points in 2026, how the system actually tracks rewards, and step-by-step fixes to make sure your points start appearing correctly again. Let's get straight into it. Rewarded play works by tracking your game sessions, time spent, and progress milestones. That means if anything interrupts tracking, your points can disappear or stay pending. For example, Alex installs a game and plays for 20 minutes, but switches apps in the middle. That small interruption can break the tracking chain, and no points get recorded. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many users don't realize that rewarded play does not credit instantly. Some rewards are delayed and only show after syncing with partner servers. So what looks like missing points may just be a delay of a few hours, or even a full day. But here's the problem. The biggest reason for missing credits is running the game outside the rewarded play session. If you open the game directly from your home screen instead of launching it through rewarded play, the system may not track your activity at all. Now, let's fix it step by step. First, always launch games directly from inside the rewarded play app. Never open them manually. Second, make sure you do not use VPNs or game boosters. These can block tracking signals and make your session invalid. Third, keep your device active while playing. If your phone sleeps or the app is minimized for too long, tracking can break. Fourth, check your internet connection. Switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data mid-session can cause missing credit logs. In a minute, I'll show you the most overlooked setting that silently stops most users from earning points. Fifth, clear cache if the app feels stuck or outdated. On Android, this often fixes syncing issues with reward servers. Sixth, always check the pending rewards section inside the app. Sometimes points are already recorded but not yet approved. Now, here's the hidden issue most users miss. Some games have level requirements, not just time requirements. So if you don't reach the required level or milestone, you won't get paid even if you played for hours. So is rewarded play actually broken in 2026? No doubt. It still works, but it depends heavily on correct usage. Most missing points come from tracking interruptions, incorrect game launches, or unmet requirements. To summarize, always start games from the app. Avoid interruptions, keep your connection stable, and allow time for rewards to sync. Once you follow these steps, most crediting issues disappear completely. If this helped you fix your issue, like the video, comment what problem you faced, and subscribe for more real app fix guides like this.